Okay, let's go ahead and get some of these names in here. So we've got a living room, a family room, a dining room, a kitchen, a utility room. Let's see, this is a shop, a garage, and a covered porch. So let's go back over here. We're going to start back up here in the top left corner. Put multi-line text in here, and that was called a family room. Make sure they all caps. So turn your cap lock on, family. We're going to highlight that and probably change this to something like 12 inches. So it's big enough, and click OK. And then I'm going to move it so it's centered in the room a little bit better. So turn the ortho off. And so I got that part in there. I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to change it so this is middle center, and that should be exact. That's actually what we want, is because now that can grab that grip and put it in the middle of the room. And the reason I'm going to do that is because when we go back over here, we're going to click copy. We're going to copy that into every place where we want to put this. Somewhere right in nearest. We'll go nearest here. Right here. We'll put that somewhere right in the middle of the kitchen. Right in the middle of that area there. We'll put that right here. Right here. Right here. I want to go back up here and put this one in. Right there, because it dropped these two in a bad spot. It's because we have the ortho on. So I'll click copy again. I'll copy this. I'm going to move this close to there. And so now we got a family room there. We're going to double click this one, highlight it, change it to dining. We're going to change this one to utility. U-T-I-L-I-T-Y. Might have to change it there. Nope, that looks good. This one is a shop. This one is a garage. Kitchen. And then the front one here is a living room. Let's see what happens when we do this living room. So it should space that down like that, so that looks good. We probably also want to go down here, copy this, and we can do the same one, copy that one down here onto this, and we'll just make this one a covered porch. Covered porch. Now, what we'll do is we'll grab that one and just drag that out a little bit. So now that goes along that whole way. As a matter of fact, I'm going to move that down just a little bit so it's not too close to those dimensions. Let's see, is there anything else on here that we want at this point in time? I do not think we need anything else on this floor, so I think we're done. Double click your mouse wheel so it zooms the extents. Go ahead and click save, and then when we do the print, you're going to go ahead and click this print, and we'll create the DWG to PDF. We'll go to the extents here, center the plot, preview, and this is what I'm hoping to see you turn in. All right, so that's pretty good. All right, right click and plot that, and that's what you're going to submit. All right. So now, I think what I'll do is we're going to do the second floor. So I'm going to stop this one now, even though it's a really short video. We're going to stop now so we can start with the second floor in a different video.